Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're going to be using Python to solve the previous question with varying glass thickness. Okay, if you haven't solved the previous question, here it is. You can pause the video and go through the steps. If you require the explanation, just watch the previous video. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, as you can see. Alright, so here's all the working. So on to today's problem. We want to plot the table and the graph. So let's start off with the table. We got thickness and total heat loss, centimeters and kilojoules respectively. We've got lower thickness, higher thickness. The lower thickness releases a lot more heat, so a lot more heat loss, and the thicker glass releases less heat. Let's look at the graph or plot. So on the y-axis we've got the total heat loss, and the x-axis is the thickness of glass. On the thin side we are losing roughly 1.2 million kilojoules of heat. On the thick side we are losing roughly 100,000 kilojoules-ish. So the shape of this graph is a decreasing exponential graph or reverse exponential log graph. So what does this mean in real life? So in construction, when building a structure with windows, you want to make your windows thicker or have your windows with multiple layers of glass. This will insulate the heat from escaping, and it reduces the heat from leaving the structure. So that's why builders, glaziers, or carpenters would use double and triple glazed windows. I suppose that's the architect's call, but generally it is the builders and the, I suppose, carpenter that fits the windows. Okay, so thanks for watching. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright law. Sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Open up the program. Click on video, click on new, left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.